about to go out on this right here. B-17 Bomber here at AirVenture. A bunch of warplanes behind us. A bunch of jets and everything. This is about to be insane. I'm really glad that Ford was able to get us out here to check this out. This is gonna be rad. If you look at the tail right here, there's a gunner tail, so you can go in the back and shoot at your opponents or whoever you're at war with. And this is gonna be pretty awesome. So you got a little gunner ball right here. You can get in and fire at your opponents. Shoot that. And then the other cool part is in the rear, the tail gunner.
Hey guys, come on. Let's ride.
Here. As you can see there.
One more for the right-hand side. Right here.
Alright.
Be 3 seats over here.
Sounds good.
You're going to go straight across. All right. And you two will be
Alright, we're gonna jump in here. We're gonna sit back, hop in.
right here.
Just like that. We get these 3 seats here, right next to the railgun action going on over here.
Wow.
So this thing's loaded up, ready to go, right? Fire her off.
Where's the entrance?
Right there, you pull that top.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Eric, you ain't even fitting in that anyway, son.
Dude, don't you worry about it.
Cables right here will control the rudders and everything.
So we're now in
exposed.
CB17.
Let me just jump out of the plane real quick. How cool is that?
We'll find out.
It's just fully open and exposed.
I'm sorry. You're right. No, you're good.
Yeah, there's GoPro right
How wild is this?
Wild.
Wild. Got radio over here.
Sean.
Dude, dropping bombs over here.
That's a cool photo.
This is so narrow that I can't even fit through. I gotta turn sideways. Now we're in the cockpit. Lots of knobs.
My mother would say lots of clocks.
Lots of clocks. There you go. The hydraulic reservoir, so you can fill that if you got any problems while you're flying. Some regular style AN fittings there. Similar to cars. This is a little bit padded. And this is another view right here. I'm not tall enough to use that. I'm sure there's some sort of step or swivel deal for that.
Originally, there was a whole thing that hung down there.
Oh, okay.
That upper turret stuff.
And then what we got down here, we got, this is the nose. Jump down there in a second when they get out. 2 jump seats here, radios.
I said, you have another set, George, because I was just going to
See
get
all those warbirds out there.
Oh, no, no, I have.
Ready to go.
Send it!
Send it!
Let's go!
Oh, let's hear it, Jared.
Send it!
What are we gonna do? Fly over and shoot some shitheads or what?
Let's do it.
That was funny. Right there.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Alright, so we're about to take off here. See how it goes. Alright, so we're going up to the front. First flight. finished the ride on the B-17G. It was built in 1946, this plane, they said. It did fly. I guess maybe it might have been 44. That would make more sense. But yeah, it did fly in the war, and we got to go in there and be dickheads in it. So it was pretty awesome. They let us just do everything I wanted to do and walk wherever we wanted to walk. We were flying about 1,000 feet off the ground. We actually did like an hour ride because the air show was going on, and they just made us keep circling. So we got to go check all that stuff out, and it was pretty awesome. You can see all these warbirds right here about to take off behind me. They're all in the queue. And this place is awesome. Oshkosh has so many planes. They said there's going to be about 15,000 planes here this weekend. About to check this bad boy out. B-1 Bomber. About to go jump in here and see what that's like. Hang on, let's move. Hell, this thing is humongous. Alright, we're in a B-1 Bomber. This is crazy. Look at all these buttons. I wouldn't even know what to do. I'm sure you figure. I'm sure you figure out in time, right?
Yeah, right.
For today, see what you got, fellas. All right, so Chelsea and Ron.
So we're going out and we're gonna do some all-wheel drive drifting, and we got a Focus RS that's been modded a little bit. It's Vaughn's car. It's got the Ford factory handbrake. It's a super small space, so we're gonna just kind of take it easy and see how it goes. Maybe whip some axis spins and maybe a little bit of drifting. We'll see. It's very different than what I've normally been driving. It's not like your normal all-wheel drive car where it has a cable handbrake and how everything's set up. This thing's a little bit newer, a little bit more controlled, let's say. And it's in drift mode, so we'll see how that works out and everything. I don't know, we'll see. All-wheel drive drifting, part 1.
All right, start it.
Find the button first.
Okay, find the button first. There you go.
Okay.
All right, now press mode down there. It says drive mode, press
Drive
that,
mode.
and it goes all the way to drift.
Oh, we're gonna wait for this one.
Yeah. There you go.
Mode.
Okay, 1,
Oh,
2,
look at that.
3,
It's a cool little drawing.
drift, boom, press OK.
Okay.
So now you're in drift mode.
All right.
So now look at the handbrake. The drift brake has a green and blue light on it.
Okay.
So hold the traction control off till it says ESC off, and then that drift stick will go to just green, and then you know it's activated.
Got it. Okay.
All right, boom. So you don't need to push the clutch in.
Got it.
This deactivates the rear diff. It opens a
locks it.
coupler on the rear diff and locks the rear brakes.
Okay.
So you can stay on throttle and still keep the front
Like
wheels
front-wheel
going.
drive.
Exactly.
Perfect. That's rad. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, we got belts too. I'm just gonna use this guy. Try it out here.
Just remember it's got ABS, so if you get in a bad sitch, it's not gonna stop right where you need it to.
Got it.
All right, so launch mode, so launch control, and you just simply go there and press that.
Yeah.
You off the clutch right now?
I'm on it.
Yep, you off the clutch.
Okay.
Boom, ready. Okay, now push the clutch in. First gear, floor it, and dump the clutch.
So all the videos and stuff Michael's been taking.
Tight on that, we can drive it to the house, load it up there.
Go!
Yeah, I figured it out. Yeah, nice.